Hello, and welcome back to Cuisine Culture. Today, we're diving into the vibrant culinary scene of Tel Aviv, Israel, where the kitchen is alive, the flavors are bold, and the chefs, they're making waves across the globe. This city is cooking up something special, and we're here to taste it all. The chefs, with their rich, multicultural roots, are serving up extraordinary flavors the culinary world has never seen before. Welcome back to the Digital Food Network and Cuisine Culture. Bon appetit! Let the journey begin. Every dish has a heartbeat, and it starts with Yarden's vibrant spirit. From the moment you meet Chef Yarden, you're struck by her enthusiasm for food, storytelling, and Israel's diverse culinary roots.
Hello, I'm Yarden. I'm a Chacoli restaurant chef. We've been working here since November. It's been past 6 months already. And today I'm going to make you some signature dishes out of our kitchen. So welcome. We're going to make the Gnocchi, the pasta dish, the Gnocchi, which we make here, the fish, confit. We first cook it in confit and a lot of spices, garlic, and some bouquet garnier, and a spicy butter. I make it with a lot of peppers. It's like the beginning of Chaime, the Moroccan Chaime, because my mother, she's Moroccan. It's very Spanish. A lot of things with pepper. So I have pepper paste, which I mix it with the butter, and this is the base of the gnocchi dish. I put, of course, fish stock because we're in a fish restaurant. We want the depth of the sea in a contact with the fish. And burnt tomato passata. Of course, I again use my wood fire oven. I burn the tomatoes. I make passata. It makes the tomato be very sweet, very smoky, and I use it in a lot of dishes. It's like a secret weapon. So let's make the gnocchi. We're gonna peel the garlic, fresh, local garlic. I start with olive oil and the garlic. Not too much oil because I have a lot of butter that's going to get into it. The fish, the cooks, I tell them, don't be afraid to take the garlic a bit far. We're in Spain. People are afraid of a burnt garlic. It can be bitter, but I want to take it a bit there, and then a bit more. I move it. White wine, of course. Fish stock. Tomato passata. I put the fish. The gnocchi. Butter. Peppers, butter. So it's peppers, fish, tomatoes, garlic, all mixed together. Basil, salt. Delicious. This is perfect like this. Voila.